My name is Luke Lam. I'm the technical project manager for KQED, and I want to talk to you guys about the apps I built, the news builder. So my app started out as a question to an experienced reporter on the California reports. I asked her, so how do you organize your story, your news source, the news gathering material that you have to deal with for your stories? Because I also know that you guys have to deal with multiple stories at the same time, so it seems like there's a lot of stuff coming at you to be organized. And she told me that, oh, it's a mess. All the materials are being tracked right now in pieces of paper, and Excel spreadsheet, docs, and Trellos, and so on. And that makes it really hard to A, organize, B, collaborate with other reporters and producers. So I was thinking, wow, that sounds like there should be an app to help them to organize the materials, to track it better as it's moving through different stages of the news production, and to help the reporting team and producers to collaborate better, to work better together. So that's why I set up to build. If there was an app like that, then that would make the individual reporters' productivity would increase dramatically because they don't have to keep their things in their head, figure out where things are being tracked at. It makes their team a lot more efficient, so they can bring the fresh new contents to market faster. And it also enables collaboration between them, which means that they may inspire each other to bring fresh new angles on a story that KQED is known for. So for all those benefits, that's why I'm working on this app. And so the prototype that I built on Salesforce over like 6 hours between the 2 days here at the conference. I have a little prototype I can show, and what I'm going to show is the experience of somebody going to a remote site, collect the information, but then instantly makes it available to their colleague back in other places, and anybody can log in to the Salesforce platform. They can see the information instantly, so that they might catch the data, the facts quicker, because like in the news business, speed is essential. You want to get to the market fast in your competition, so this is one way to help the organization. So this is my news builder apps on the mobile, as you can see, and so if I click on that, you can see all the news ideas that we're working with. Let's say we pick the first one, California plan to create a floating city, and you click on that, then you can see the details, who's working on that, a little description about that, the categories it belongs to, and where's the status of the articles at. It could be an idea stage, or in investigation, or it's in publish, right? And then if you click on related, you can see the list of people that we work with on these stories. Somebody might be a lead or give us the idea for these stories. There's an expert that we want to ask questions, and then there's some people that we want to identify as the source for our published stories. So that and the nice things about this is you can create instantly anywhere on the app, and you can create new task and new contact, and then you can call them and log the call, so you can track the conversation you have with them. And once you make that available, that makes it available to all your team, reporting team, and then they can follow up on their areas. So that's what I have so far right now. And like I say, I built this app, here for about 6 hours over 2 days at the conference. my training on Trailhead makes it really easy to build an app with. So then the platform, I feel like you can click and build the app without coding, but still have the full power of the Salesforce platform for the apps at your disposal, which is quite powerful idea, really. So once this conference over, we'll go back to the office. What I plan to do is fleshing out more of the material gathering, tracking features, and then working on the approval process for the news item to move from ideation to investigation to article publish. So that's my plan for the apps.